Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to add Shopify color switches on product page. There is a several methods, but I am going to use the simplest way in this video. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and I will kindly request you to watch the video till the end to understand how I am going on to whole process. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So actually you can see we are already in our Shopify dashboard. This is our Shopify dashboard. We have a couple of options over that place, and here you can see all the metrics. And in here, if I want to add a color switches, then I just need to go over that place product. And if you view our online store, then you will eventually find out the result of our design over that place. Here you can see this is our product, and here I'm going to add some color variant. So let's go. So here you can see we don't have any color switcher options, so I'm going to include a color over that place. So go over here and come back here. So here you can see we have some couple of product over that place, so I'm going to work on of them. So let's click on, and now if you see we don't have descriptions, like it is not totally completed, so we need to be work on. So here you can see we have shipping options. So in this platform you can see we have this variant option, add option like size or color. So the process is really quick and simple, but I will give you the breakdown. That's why it will take time. So again, I'm going to request you to watch the video till the end. So you just need to be click over here and then just click on color, and once you select it, you will get option to select the color. So I'm going to select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and all of them one by one. Then just click on done, and once you select it, you just need to be click on save. Once you click on the save, it will take a while to save it, then it will properly save, and now you can view it. So let's click on preview. Once I click over here, now you can see our color has been set it over that place, but we are not able to use this color because we don't have any product on this. So I need to be change on it. So here you just need to be come over here, and then here in the next you can see we have this product options, so where we need to be edit. So just select all variant and click on bulk edit, and then you will redirect to that place. So here shop location, shop located, and many more. So I'm going to change it 100. Let's make it 100. Similarly, I am going to do with every each and product. So as you can see, we have been done over that place. So I'm going to click on save. Once I click over here, variant has been saved. Now let's go again to the admin panel and let's click on refresh. Now you can see our product has been changed, and the main thing is color switch. So when we will click over that place, the image will be changed, like it will be switched. So how we can do it? You just need to be click over here. Once you click over here, now you can see we are allowed to add an image over that place. We can change the pricing, we can change the inventory, we can continue selling when out of stock. Like we have the option particularly to do whatever we want. Also you can see our meta color has been added in that place. So let's go and change the image. First of all, I'm going to download a new picture. Headset with what the color did we select? Big. So yeah, as you can see, this is the color of products I'm going to use on my profile. So I need to find out a good looking image, so it will be engaging for the design. So let's click on Ctrl S and let's save it. Now it has been done. So I'm going to back it here, the previous channel, and I will click on add. image. Just click on add files and you will get the image. So now you can see we already uploaded in here. So just click on done. In fact, once you click on done, it will be set it over here. Just click on save. Again, the process is similar with each color. So now I'm going to click on view as. So let's go and check this out here. Now you can see our color has been changed. If I click on black or any other kind of thing, the color is not changed. So I need to add some other images into the black. So go over here and find out the black. Here is the black, and I'm going to add this on this option. So let's add this black over that place, and now you can see we have the similar procedure. Just fulfill all the necessary thing, and let's go over here and refresh it. So now let's go. When you click on this color, the color has been changed. If I click on black, the black color will become over here. So let's go and refresh it. Why is not working? So it already selected black, so I'm going to select on bake, and let's again click on black. So there is some error happen in here when I am click on black, so I need to fix it. So let's go over that place, and here I am going to work on bake. Why color is not changed? Search variant. You can see then when I click on black, the color will be similar. Then where is the problem? I need to find out. It's sometimes give you the headache for thinking, so you need to work on properly. So let's go over here and find out where is the problem. 3 suggestion available. So here you can see our metadata, meta object. So you can work with this metadata from that place, setting and custom data. Here you can see product, then you can find out some options over that place. Then you can come back and you can see the variant option. We already add a color option. Here you can add product variant from this place. So it's totally up to you how you want to work on. If you don't want to make it so much complex, then you can go with this one. So let's go on to the preview again and try it. So here you can see our color has been changed, so it is working. So you can do it for every and each product. So you can see the eventual result is really smooth. So it is a way how you can switch color product on product page. So it's really easy. And also I want to mention that will be, if you want to add variant in new product, just go over here, add product, and here you will get this option called variant. Here you just need to click over here and just give your name, that will be color. Once you set it here, then add value. I'm going to add black. As you can see here, it will take time to add. So here you can see then variant black already added. So I am going to add a new, that will be white. Then click on add. Here you can see it has been added. Or if you want to only add the color between that place, this is really simple. So if you want to add color template over here, that is really simple. You just need to go on the setting. Let's click on discard and just go over here, setting, then click on custom data. Once you click over here, now you can see we have the variant option. We already made a color option, so I will just click over here, and in this platform we can give the more actions, or we can create a new data. Let's go over here and let's click on color. Now this may be good. Custom color already taken. I'm going to give my name over that place to use one period. Yeah, it looks nice. So here you need to select one, that will be color. Yeah, you can see one value, list of value, store font API access. Let's go and select it here and then click on this one, and now you can see our color. I'm going to remove this one, so just go over here and more action, delete definition. So you can see our color has been done over that place. So come back to our store, and then I'm going to onto the product page, click on add products. Once I'm done, I will go over here into the variants, and I am going to add options called color and search it. So you need to be find out black, then come back to this workplace and search here. You need to search your HS code like Control F. Okay, so incorrect HS code, click check the number, try again. I need to be HS code black, and they will provide us the code. I will copy this one and I will paste it in that place. So here you can see the black code, price will be 100, and done. And it has been done here. You can do it further more perfect way, this way, like all collection, shop location or app, then click over here, and then here you can add your color. So eventually we find the result. So when you are uploading a product over that place, always select a category. Without selecting a category, you are not allowed to add color template. So once I done it, now we can see we already get two metadata over here. So let's go and check this out by beginner. Just go over here, discard it, and let's create a new product. Here you can see we don't selected any category over that place, so I'm going to select one of them, and here you can select your one from this place. I'm going to click on Aprils, and now you can see we get two metadata category field. I'm going to click over here, and now here you can see we have two options, that's called color and targeted gender. Once you click over here, then you will get option here. Once you want to category metadata fields, then click over color. You can add all of them one by one. Let's go and add a product that called apparel and accessories, and I'm going to add a picture. This is not related to my product, so that's why I upload this one and click on save. I'm going to give a price and track quantity, it will be 100, and just click on save. And it will take a while, and product has been created. So I'm going to click on refresh, and now I will go apparel and accessories. Here our image has not been uploaded, that's why the problem happened here. I'm going to upload this one. So you need to be keep patience when you're working on Shopify always. So click, scroll down and add a new color, purple, and then click on save. And now let's go over here and click on my store. Yeah, you can see that product has been uploaded, and we don't get any color palette yet, so I'm going to add some of them. Let's click on save and refresh it. So there is some problem I think we already had, that's called mail. Like I need to be find out one by one always. You need to be edit. Yes, you need to be edit over that place. Select image, just go and paste it, and now save it. Let's click on save and go and refresh it. Maybe there is some problem. I need to be go on to that place and find out the variants, color. Yes, after completing this metadata sector, you need to be work on this. Now click on save. And now let's go and check this out here, and eventually you can see our color has been added, and this is the color switcher. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and if you think this video was totally beginner for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for new videos and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.